let's listen the music first. Why don't we take a look at the sheet music and start reading? First line from right hand. G, F, E, G, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, 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 G. G, F, E, G, F, E, D. C, D, E, F. Move to left hand. C, D, E, C, D, E, F. F, E, D, C, 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 C. C, D, E, C, D, E, F. And the last measure starts from F. F, E, D, C. This music starts from same finger numbers. I hope that helps you. Let's see the finger positions and start playing. So let's play this music. Put your both hands on C and G. You start from finger numbers 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Repeat same. 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand 2, 3, 4,